Raised to 15. Ang matatalo dito ay may parusa. Okay, first question. English ng dito.
Here.
Okay, 1-0. English ng doon.
There.
Okay. Next. Sagot. Baka rin. English ng kaliwa.
Right. Left.
Okay. Yan. Pakiusap.
Bakit usap? Oh, please.
Okay. Next. English ng. Oy, makinig ka. Salamat.
Thank you.
Next. Pagtatapos. Halimbawa, nakatapos na kayo ng elementary.
Attention.
Ayun, okay. Next. English ng kasal. Kasal.
Hello. Here.
Wedding.
Ready?
Next. English ng regalo.
Gift.
Okay. English ng musika.
Music.
Okay. Next. English ng gusto mo bang sumayaw?
I want dance.
Sige, pwede na yon. Do you want to dance? Ayokong sumayaw.
I don't like dance.
No, I don't want to dance or I don't like to dance. Pwede. Okay, next. English ng oo.
Yes.
English ng hindi.
No. No.
English ng dahan-dahan.
Slowly.
Okay. Next, English ng ano ang sinabi mo?
What do you say?
Okay, pwede na yun. What did you say dapat? Pero okay na, consider na. Next, English ng hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Basic lang yan.
Hindi ko.
I don't blank.
I don't.
Understand. Next,
Don't understand.
English ng ano ang ibig mong sabihin?
What do you mean?
Okay.
Ay.
Next, English ng hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
Okay, good. Next, English ng kumusta?
Hello.
Yes.
Ayan pala Cameron.
English ng, oy, Cameron, makinig ka. Magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Okay.
Uy.
Next, English ng magandang gabi.
Good night.
Okay. English ng magandang hapon.
Magandang good afternoon.
Okay.
Ay, 15 na.
15, hindi, up to 15 to. 15 ka na? Okay.